Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Subhi and I make video on fashion, lifestyle, makeup, travel and a lot more. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe to me. If you haven't watched my videos till now, go and check them out. Give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of all the coolest videos that I upload. So let's not waste any more time and get ahead with this video. मैं हर बार कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं आपके लिए कुछ नया लेके आऊँ और इस बार मैं मॉल ऑफ इंडिया नोएडा विजिट कर रही थी एंड आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विजिट द क्यूटेस्ट लिटिल जापानीज स्टोर कॉल्ड मिनीसो. The best thing about it was the prices were so cheap and so worth the quality. और आखिर किसे नहीं पसंद आती सस्ती और अच्छी चीज़ें. तो मैं I just went ahead and did some shopping and I hope you would like it as well. Maybe you can check the store yourself. Also, this is the review of the store from my side. It's not a promotional video for sure. It's just my recommendation to you guys कि अगर आपको कोई घर के हर household की छोटी अच्छी चीज़ें चाहिए, the things that they sell are not just very friendly, pocket friendly, but also very cute. Did like you can see, I did a lot of shopping there, and I'll just go ahead with this haul video. So that's why I made this MiniSo haul video for all of you guys. I'll just go ahead and show you all the items that I bought. Maybe you can check those yourself, and you can like the various things that they have. Plus I'll also show you some of the things that I have bought. Maybe you like them as well. If you do like them, give me a thumbs up and comment below if you like. From this big bag, let me show you what all I bought. So I'll pick the stuffs randomly from this and tell you if it was worth the price and the quality as well. Let's start with this cute bag, and trust me, if you'll see, the quality of this product is so good. It's so sturdy and it costed me just $150. So I have decided to use it as one of my makeup bags because I have a lot of cosmetics and products. So I'm going to use this to keep all my lipsticks. I think it is pretty much spacious as well, as you can see. So this is something I would say they have the cutest and the most price-worthy bags that they have in their store. I would recommend you to definitely go and check them out. Then the next product that I bought was, so I'm actually traveling. I do travel a lot, so this is something so cute in pink, and I love this because I don't really need much on the neck side, but kind of on the side because I sleep like this on the plane. So the design which it was made of kind of fitted my needs, so I bought this, and especially it was in color pink and so fluffy, so I got this. Then the next thing that I have is these cute little pink slippers. So because if you are going to your washroom and you don't want your normal slippers to get wet, get dirty, so these are so flexible, so soft, as you can see, and it's also in my favorite color pink, so I got these as well. It is of $230 only. Can you believe this? I just got this for 230 rupees. And the next thing that I have is this notebook. So they have a cute, huge collection of notebooks and diaries in various shapes and sizes, and it's also in the wooden kind of thing, which I kind of liked, the wooden texture, and it was perfect for me to keep in my bag, so I really liked it and bought this. Then the next one I have is, well, these are the plastic containers. As you'll see in a lot of my videos that I use some homemade products as well, like I mix and match, and maybe use serums in the small bottles to just carry with me in my bag. So these containers I think were totally worthy. 2 containers just for $150. Can you believe it? Just for $150. So this was a must buy for me, I thought, so I bought it. Then the next one that I have are the bathroom beauty towels. So as you know that you have to use different beauty towels for your skin, for your face, and trust me, this is a caution. This is please do remember that you have to use separate towels for your face and for your body. If you are not using it, please do start using it, because it will make a huge impact in your life. Always use different towel for your face and not for your body. So use a different towel. So this was something beauty towel just for my face, and I think it was totally worthy because I'm crazy for such towels. This is something I would highly recommend you guys, because I specifically prefer to use different towel for my body and to wipe off my body and to wipe off my face, because I highly, trust me, I highly recommend you guys to use separate towel for my face and for wiping your body, because if you use kind of the same towel everywhere, it will impact your skin. So you do not want to hamper your skin by using the same towel. So I would definitely recommend you to use the separate towel. So I think beauty towel was worth the money. It was of 150 rupees and I got 4 towel or such cute colors. So this is also something which I loved. Then the next product that I bought was, okay, so they gave tank tops at really cool prices. I got 2 tank tops, one camisole and one tank top. Both were like of 450 and 290. So the camisole was of just 290 and the cotton tank top was of 450. These were kind of worth the money, as it's just 290, and I used it. I touched the material that they have. It's so soft. Let me just see if I can open this right now for you. The material that they use is super soft and worth the price. So I bought one tank top and the camisole. They have it in various colors, so this was something a must do. Then the next one that I got was a hair scalp brush. So this is something very small and just to detangle or untangle or your hair when you kind of are working throughout your day and you're kind of messy and frizzy hair. You can use this, and it is so small and kind of fits well in your bag as well. So I would definitely prefer and recommend this. Then the next one that I have is, okay, so this is something I kind of it was of 190 rupees, but I really don't, I kind of lose all my rubber bands and hair bands that I buy, and because I just throw them away. But these bands are, if you really are not tying your hair, you can just put in your arms. It will kind of look cool as well. And also if you want to tie your hair, you can just go ahead and tie them. So you kind of get a lot of pieces in this, and it's worth the money of 190 rupees. So this is extra. I mean, it totally depends on you. If you are not as careless as me in storing the products properly, then you don't need this. But I kind of like them the way it's wired and kind of ties your hairs as well. Also a container, because I make a lot of things on my own and I want to carry them in my bag. So this is also a container worth 150. So like I said, the other one, the 2 containers which were spray ones, were 2 bottles in 150. So I would recommend this over this, but since I kind of have usage of this as well, so I bought it. Must have for all the ladies. This is for 150 rupees cotton pads. Cotton pads, who doesn't use the cotton pads? I mean, to flush off the makeup, to wipe off the makeup, to put the toner, to remove the makeup. Every time you need these small babies in cute pink color, and it's so worth the price. They have like 180 sheets and it's just of 150 rupees. So I would highly recommend you to buy this. What I have left here, so since I said like I travel a lot, so I needed a power bank, and they were giving it at pretty much reasonable rate. So it was just of 790 and it was of 5000 mAh. So I thought it was okay to buy it from here. I didn't prefer any other famous brand. Instead, I just went ahead with this because it fits your iPhone and the Android phones as well. And last, these small packets of napkins, because since you are traveling or you just are going to office, these are small packets which kind of fits in your bag and are so useful. So I have like so much, as you see, and it's for just 190 rupees. So I think it's worth the price. I bought this razor. This is for like every woman kind of wants to have them, and it was pretty cheap as well, 190 rupees for two. So this was pretty cool as well. So that's all for the whole video. So I hope that you liked the whole video that I made and all the products that I bought. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि मैं अलग अलग छोटी छोटी चीज़ें कम से कम खरीदूं, but फिर भी वो इतना इतना करके काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो गई. But trust me, it was just under 3,000 bucks. So many things for just under 3,000 bucks. I think that was totally pocket friendly. So I will just mention again that ये कोई प्रमोशन वीडियो नहीं है. ये स्टोर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे इसके प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगे. That's why I just went ahead and gave the review to you guys. Maybe you guys can check that out as well, because before this even I wasn't aware of such kind of store. So the store's name is MiniSo, and it kind of goes by the name MiniSo Japan. And so it's a Japanese brand. And I would highly recommend you to at least visit it, if not buy something useful, then at least. But I know for sure that आपको कुछ ना कुछ helpful, useful मिल ही जाएगा. Plus the best point is they give all the things in your favorite cutest colors. So I would highly recommend it to all the young ladies, young girls that are watching this video. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also do press the bell icon to get notified of all my videos, because I make a lot of videos. And don't forget to wait for my next video. So let's see. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.